In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install a third-party Pine script indicator on TradingView. Start by going to TradingView.com. This begins from the assumption that you are already logged into your account. Once the site is open, move to the top menu, click Products, and then choose Supercharts. That opens the main charting workspace where the indicator will be added. When the chart loads, make sure you are looking at a clean chart. In the top left area, you should only see the symbol and the time frame. There should not be any indicator names listed underneath. This confirms you are starting from a blank chart, so it is easier to see the new script when it gets applied. Next, open the Community Script page. Create a new browser tab, then go to tradingview.com/scripts/. This page is where public scripts shared by other TradingView users are listed. Once it opens, click on any script tile. On the script page, briefly look at the author name, the description, and the ratings. That shows this is a third-party script published by another user, not a built-in TradingView indicator. Near the top of the script description, you will see a button labeled Use on Chart. Click Use on Chart. After you do that, TradingView switches back to your chart tab automatically and applies the indicator to the chart. Now confirm that the script was installed correctly. In the top left of the chart, under the symbol, the indicator name should now appear in the indicator list. You should also see plotted lines or shapes directly on the chart itself, depending on how that script is designed to display its signals. Next, adjust the indicator settings. Hover your mouse over the indicator name in the top left until the action icons appear. Click the Settings icon, which is the gear. In the Settings window, open the Inputs tab. Here, review the available inputs and change any values you want to demonstrate. When you're done, click OK. The chart updates right away with the new values applied. At this point, the third-party Pine script indicator is running on your chart. Its name is visible in the top left indicator list. Its plotted lines or shapes are showing on the chart, and its settings are available through the gear icon. The indicator will reload automatically each time you open the same chart. And in Method B, the saved script remains available under Open in the Pine editor for future use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Congratulations!